The biggest mistake in cycling is buying a wider, softer saddle thinking it will cure your pain. It actually makes it worse. Here is the mistake most buyers make: buying a thick gel-padded saddle for comfort. Your sit bones sink in, shifting weight to soft tissue, causing instant numbness. Your saddle width must match your skeletal structure, not your pant size. You can pay $100 for pressure mapping at a shop, or just sit on a piece of corrugated cardboard at home to measure the distance between the indents. Next, let's look at shape. Data shows center cutouts reduce perineal pressure by 60%. Combine that with a short-nose design, and you prevent soft tissue restriction when you rotate your pelvis forward for aggressive riding. For road performance in 2026, the baseline is the $150 Specialized Power Expert. If you want alternatives, the $160 Physic Argo Vento R3 or $130 PRO Stealth offer similar short-nose geometry that fits about 80% of riders perfectly. If you ride endurance, you need a slightly curved profile. The $150 Specialized Ramen and $140 Cell Italia SLR Boost are excellent. Alternatively, the $100 Brook C17 uses suspended rubber that breaks in for incredible long-distance comfort. For mountain biking, you shift weight constantly, demanding a smoother profile. Here is the absolute truth: a correctly sized $50 WTB Volt beats a wrong-sized $250 carbon saddle every time. The $90 Ergon S.M. Pro is another bulletproof MTB choice. Here is my practical warning: do not buy a saddle based on internet reviews. Pelvic geometry is completely unique. A 5-star saddle for me might be literal torture for you. So here is the framework. Measure your sit bones first. Buy the WTB Volt if you're on a strict budget. Buy a Specialized Power for road. And always buy from a brand offering a 30-day comfort guarantee. Measure those sit bones and ride pain-free.